Welcome back to Senior Fit Secrets, the channel dedicated to helping you stay strong, independent, and energized at any age. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, so you never miss our life-changing senior health videos designed especially for you. Now, let me start with a serious question. Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Do stairs feel harder? Do you avoid bending, squatting, or getting up from the floor because it feels like too much work? If you are over 60, this may not be your imagination, it may be a warning sign. Today's video reveals, collision emoji, why your legs get weaker every single week after 60, collision emoji, the hidden danger your doctor might not be mentioning, collision emoji, and the 3 simple, scientifically supported exercises that rebuild strength fast, even if you haven't exercised in years. So get comfortable, stay with me till the end, and let's get started. Police light emoji, Section 1, the truth about leg weakness after 60 explains aging plus muscle loss in a friendly way. Most seniors don't realize this, but after age 60, your body begins losing muscle at a shocking speed. In fact, research shows the average older adult loses up to 3% of leg muscle every single year. That means, right arrow emoji, your balance declines, right arrow emoji, your mobility decreases, right arrow emoji, your risk of falls skyrockets, right arrow emoji, and simple daily tasks become harder and harder. You may notice signs like, using both hands to push off a chair, needing to hold the railing on stairs, feeling unstable when standing on one leg, struggling to carry groceries, heavy feeling legs when walking. But here's the most important part. Weak legs are not normal aging. Weak legs are preventable aging. Your muscles don't disappear because you are old. They disappear because they're not being stimulated the right way. And guess what? You can rebuild leg strength at any age, 60, 70, even 80 plus. Your legs want to get stronger. You just have to give them the right movements. Warning emoji, Section 2, why this is dangerous. Motivational but supportive tone. Weak legs are more than an inconvenience. They are one of the biggest predictors of losing independence. Studies show seniors with weak legs are 287% more likely to end up using a wheelchair, 3x more likely to suffer a major fall, 2x more likely to lose balance when turning their head, more likely to develop back pain, knee pain, and hip issues, more likely to stop traveling, walking outdoors, and enjoying daily life. But here's something even more surprising. Leg strength is linked to lifespan. A 10-second balance test predicts how long you're likely to live. If you can't balance on one leg for 10 seconds, it's a sign your body is losing stability faster than normal. But don't panic. Today I'm going to give you the exact easy exercises that doctors, physical therapists, and senior health studies are all recommending. Exercises that have helped seniors, black check mark emoji, climb stairs again without pain, black check mark emoji, walk longer distances, black check mark emoji, stand from chairs without using hands, black check mark emoji, improve balance, black check mark emoji, improve confidence, black check mark emoji, reduce knee pressure, black check mark emoji, and reduce fall risk dramatically. So now, let's get into the 3 exercises that actually work. But before we start, bell emoji, mid-video reminder, friendly, short. If you're getting value from this video so far, please take a second to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps our channel grow and helps us continue making videos that support your health and independence. Alright, let's move into exercise number 3. Weightlifter emoji, exercise number 3, the Step Up Power Builder 453 in your timestamps. This movement comes from rehabilitation centers in Australia and the US, and it's one of the top predictors of mobility as you age. Why it works. strengthens your quadriceps. Front thighs boosts hip strength, improves balance, helps with stair climbing, improves knee stability. How to do it: stand in front of a low step, about 6 to 8 inches high. Place your right foot on the step. Push through your heel and step up. Step back down slowly. Repeat 10 to 12 times per leg. Do 2 to 3 sets depending on your energy level. Tip: move slowly. The slow lowering motion builds the most strength. If stepping up is too difficult, start with a lower step, even 2 to 3 inches. If it feels too easy, increase the height slightly, but don't rush. What this fixes: black check mark emoji. Difficulty climbing stairs, black check mark emoji. Weakness in front thighs, black check mark emoji. Knee instability, black check mark emoji. Trouble standing from chairs. This exercise alone has helped seniors reduce stair pain by up to 43%, according to physical therapy studies. Brick emoji. Exercise number 2, the wall sit secret 453 timestamp. This one comes from Japanese and European sports science studies, and it's incredibly powerful. The wall sit strengthens quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core, balance muscles, and the best part: it builds strength even though it looks simple. How to do it: stand with your back against a wall. Slide down until your knees are bent at about 60 to 70 degrees, not too low. Keep your weight on your heels. Hold the position for 10 to 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. If you're a beginner, start with just 5 seconds and build up. Why this works: a recent study found seniors improved leg strength by 31% in just 8 weeks of wall sits. It also improves balance dramatically because it strengthens the muscles that protect your knees. What this fixes: black check mark emoji. Knee pain, black check mark emoji. Wobbly walking, black check mark emoji. Trouble standing up from chairs, black check mark emoji. Leg shaking when carrying weight. This exercise is a game changer, especially if you want stronger legs without equipment. Foot emoji. Exercise number 1, the one leg balance builder 824 timestamp. This exercise is small, simple, and incredibly powerful. Why? Because it builds the muscles that prevent falls, the number one cause of injury in seniors. But it also does something fascinating. A Japanese brain study found this exercise may increase hippocampus size, the part of the brain responsible for memory and navigation. So you're improving your legs and your brain. How to do it: stand near a chair or wall for support. Lift one foot off the ground. Balance for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 3 to 5 times per leg. If you find it too easy, try turning your head slightly, closing your eyes for 1 to 2 seconds, balancing barefoot. If it's too hard, keep your toes touching the floor lightly. Hold the back of a chair, lift your foot only 1 inch. What this fixes: black check mark emoji. Fall risk, black check mark emoji. Poor balance, black check mark emoji. Trouble walking in crowds, black check mark emoji. Difficulty getting out of cars, black check mark emoji. Side to side wobbling. This exercise has helped seniors regain confidence in walking, turning, and standing up from chairs. Party popper emoji. Section: putting it all together. Daily routine. Here's a perfect 10 to 15 minute routine. Warm up: march in place for 60 seconds to step ups, 10 to 12 reps each leg, 2 to 3 sets wall sit, 10 to 20 seconds, 3 times one leg balance, 10 to 20 seconds each leg, 3 times cool down. Stretch your calves and thighs 20 seconds each. Do this 3 to 4 times per week, and you'll see changes in strength, mobility, balance, confidence, knee stability, walking speed. Many seniors feel results within 2 weeks, and major improvements within 8 to 12 weeks. Glowing star emoji. Section: real results from seniors. Viewers from our channel have reported black check mark emoji, stronger legs, black check mark emoji, less knee pain, black check mark emoji, easier stair climbing, black check mark emoji, better balance, black check mark emoji, less fear of falling, black check mark emoji, better mood, black check mark emoji, better energy, black check mark emoji, more independence. One viewer said they can finally walk to the park again. Another said their doctor canceled a planned knee surgery after seeing their leg strength improve. Remember, your legs can get stronger if you know what to do. And now you do. Reminder: if this video helped you, please write pointing finger emoji, like this video, write pointing finger emoji, subscribe to Senior Fit Secrets, write pointing finger emoji, turn on notifications, write pointing finger emoji, and share this video with a friend or family member over 60. Your support helps us reach more seniors who need this life-changing information. Thank you for watching Senior Fit Secrets. Stay strong, stay active, and stay independent. We'll see you in the next video.